Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to kind of reset an app on your phone, your app. So it's like wiping every single data off your app. So there are probably instances where you might want to uninstall an app, but later on want to install the app. It's not like you just want to take the app off your phone totally, or you feel there's something wrong with the app, or probably your app is going off and coming on, kind of like when you log into the app. So let's say for example you are using Opera Mini and all of a sudden it just goes off. This can help to resolve the issue. Probably there's a catch in your browser, or a cookie in your browser, or a virus in your browser that is causing that glitch. Sometimes it might have to do with compatibility with your phone. Sometimes it might have to do with updating your browser. So any of this, you should check any of this. So of course, you know how to update your app. You go to your Google Play, and of course, you update it. So probably I'm just also going to show that. I'm also going to show that here. So now, first of all, let me show you how you update an app. So I once had a lady, come to me to say our WhatsApp is no longer working, and I realized our WhatsApp has to do with the reason for our WhatsApp not working is because it is outdated and needs to be updated. So trust me, there are people out there who don't really know how to update their app. So let's say for example I'm using so if you want to update your app, generally you want to come to this icon that is there, that is by the left. Click on my apps and games. So you are going to see a lot of apps that have has not been updated or needs to be updated. So why is loading? I don't know why it's taking more time. So you if you are not trying to manage your data, you want to click on update all if you like, or you want to pick a specific app. So let's say for example my Instagram is giving me issues or having this glitch on my YouTube. I want to click on update, or my YouTube and click on update. So that is how you update an app. So I'm going to switch off my data because it's disturbing the speed of my phone due to the screen record I'm using. So now I said we are going to reset an app. So now what app do we want to reset? So I've never opened my Phoenix browser because I just reset my phone. So it's very different from resetting your app. So I want to pick an app that I've opened before and I would like to reset. An app that won't necessarily disturb me, but just so I don't really lose data. So let's just go over. So first of all, you want to hold on to that app. So I'm holding on to my Phoenix app, for example. Now if you notice, there are some apps that might not necessarily have the uninstall option. So if I should hold down on my Twitter, I should have the uninstall option, right? Now if you have an app that doesn't have the uninstall option, it simply means the app is inbuilt with your phone, right? So but now we are not talking about uninstalling an app. What we want to do, so if for example you have an app that you cannot uninstall, you can always come to application details, right? And you don't want to go to disable. You can disable the app if you want, but you want to be sure that the app is not really connected with any other important app, important software, so to speak, that runs your phone, so that it doesn't cause any kind of glitch or whatever. So now if you notice my data usage, there's no data usage because I've not used this app. But definitely what you want to do is you want to come to your storage, Now you see where it says clear data. If you want to clear everything, all the logins, information, everything on your app, you want to click on clear data. It's going to clear everything. It's going to make your app brand new. Now you notice that the user data is 0, the cache is 0. But if you just want to clear the cache to free up your phone, you want to click on clear cache. So that is just simple, the easy way to free up or to reset an app, and you want to open your app and it becomes new. Another way to go through that process is you want to come to, so some phones you might probably want to go to application, but if you have storage, you want to go to storage, internal, and then you want to go to apps, right? And when you are in app, you want to, let's say I want to clear my phone master, I can come to my phone master, immediately it takes me down to clear data. So I can click on clear data, but I don't want to clear my phone master data because I already have created some settings like hiding of app and locking of apps, so I don't want to reset that. But that's generally the way to clear your app data instead of uninstalling it. So I once had someone say, called me to say they want to uninstall, they want to free up this space on their phone, they want to reset their phones, factory reset. So I said that is not really a good idea because it's going to wipe a lot of stuff that you have on the phone, and I really didn't have the time to start backing up stuff. So I said the best way to go about it is to come to your phone and clear the data of your browser that you don't really have special information on, or instead of clearing the data you want to clear the cache. So I've created a video where you can video that shows you how to clear the cache on your phone. So thank you guys for watching.